So imagine if you can create a professional commercial just like this, just by having a conversation with AI. No editing software, no technical skills. You just chat with it and it handles everything from scripting to editing to adding the voiceovers and even music. Well, in this video, I'll show you exactly the tool that I use to create this. And by the end of the video, you'll know exactly how to do it as well. All right, so the tool we're looking at today is called Medeo. This is it right here. Now, they are the sponsor of today's video. So if you want to follow along with me as I show you how this works, make sure to click the first link down below in the description to try it out for yourself. When you log into Medeo for the first time, your dashboard is going to look like this, a very clean aesthetic. And there's a prompt box up here where you can tell it what video you want it to make. Now, what makes Medeo different from a lot of other AI tools out there is that with most other AI video generators, when you type a prompt in here, what you get is what you get. Maybe it's good, maybe it's not, but you're just kind of stuck with it. But with Medeo, you work with it almost like you're having a conversation with a professional video editor. You can make changes to the output just by talking with it. Say things like make the pacing faster, change the character's outfit, use a different style, and it's going to be able to do that. It's honestly the most natural way to create videos that I've ever seen. Plus, Medeo supports all types of video creation, whether you're making animations, educational content, or commercials. You can do all of that with this one tool. Let's give it a shot though. I'll come over to the prompt box right here, and I'm going to have it create for us a premium commercial for a coffee company. So all I have to do is describe in this prompt box exactly what I'm looking for. Then here in the settings, I can go ahead and change these. So if I wanted to change the aspect ratio, I can do that. Under more, I can also do things like change the duration or use asset sources or even AI style. So let's go ahead and generate it as is and see what it comes up with. All right, so now we can see that it's getting to work. So instead of just creating the video without really much thinking, instead it's actually planning it out. So the first thing it did was it wrote the script for this commercial, and now it's generating 3 cinematic videos using the model Sora for our multi-shot sequence and with integrated audio as well. So now it's waiting for those to generate, and it's actually going to put all of that together for us. So instead of just creating one video, it's actually creating multiple videos for this project and doing all that work for us. So our commercial is now ready. Over here on the right, you can see exactly what it did, described for us in the chat. And over here on the left, you can see the 3 videos that it generated and then put together for us in the timeline down here. So let's go ahead and give this a watch. Yeah, so I think that's a really solid first step. Very cinematic, very good lighting, very good quality, obviously, because it's from the top models. However, it's not perfect yet, and that's okay, because inside of Medeo, you can have it make any changes that you want. So for instance, over here, I could say something like, make the pacing faster. I also want to show the beans being roasted before the coffee is poured. All right, so here are the changes that it made. Let's go ahead and give the new commercial a watch. All right, so it correctly identified for us that we wanted the roasting section to come first, and it definitely tried to pick up the pace and intensity of it as well. Maybe not the best idea for a coffee commercial, but that is on me for telling it that I wanted a more intense, faster paced commercial, but it did exactly what I asked for. So let's go ahead and scale that back a little bit. This time I'm going to tell it to change the mood to be warmer and more inviting and slower. So now that this is finished, before I even play it, you can tell that this is a completely different video. The lighting is different, the coloring is different. It definitely feels a lot warmer and more inviting. Even without playing the video, we can tell that. But let's go ahead and give it a quick watch or parts of it. Yeah, just a completely different mood because that's what I asked for. So really easy to make any changes that you want just by coming over here to the chat. In addition to that, if there's any manual edits that you want to make, you can totally do that. So if I want this shot, for instance, to be a little bit shorter, I can just drag this a little bit shorter. If I want to rearrange any of these, I can just rearrange these shots by going like this. Before I show you more examples of what you can do with Medio, if you're enjoying this video so far and you love learning about new AI tools, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I release videos like this all the time, testing out new AI tools. So if you don't want to miss out on that, make sure you definitely subscribe. For this next example, I want to make a video where there's an actual person in it so you can get an idea of how good it is at character consistency. So basically, I just wanted to create a 30-second story about Little Red Riding Hood. Go ahead and click on generate. So here's our Little Red Riding Hood story. And the first thing I want to point out before we even play is that each scene here has the same character. So here she is in the first scene, here she is in the second scene, and here she is in the third scene. And it's the same character consistency throughout the entire video. Now playing it, what you'll notice for this one is that we actually have a voiceover as well. So it does voiceovers for videos as well.
Little Red Riding Hood walked through the forest to visit her grandmother. But a sneaky wolf got there.
Yeah, so super impressive. There's a lot of cool things that you can do inside this one tool. I'm going to go ahead and make a change to this though. I want to change Little Red Riding Hood's outfit to winter clothes. And what you'll notice is that it won't just do it for one of the scenes, it will consistently do it for all the scenes. And here we go. Now we have pretty much the exact same video, but she's wearing winter clothes. Once you're happy with the way that any of your videos have come out and you want to go ahead and share it, all you have to do is click on the top right here where it says export. You can then export the video and use it however you want. Let's do one more example because what I found is that this tool is really good at creating educational content. So I'm going to ask it to create a 1-minute educational animation explaining how AI learns from data. And that's exactly what it made for us here. This is an explainer video talking about how you train AI on cat photos. Let's give this a quick watch.
Of cat photos, different colors, sizes, and poses. This is called training data.
Yeah, so what I love about this is that it found a very approachable way to explain how we train AI. Obviously, there's lots of visuals, a very consistent color scheme, a voiceover. It wrote the script as well. So yeah, it does everything with a very simple prompt. So let's talk about who this is actually for, because this isn't just a cool toy. I think this actually has real practical applications. First, small business owners, if you need video ads for social media, product demos, explainer videos, stuff that would normally cost money to actually have produced, you can create it yourself using something like Medio. Second, content creators. If you want to add high quality video segments to your content, create intro sequences, make educational animations, this is a very good tool for that as well. And then marketers and agencies as well. You can prototype video concepts incredibly quickly, test different approaches, and iterate based on client feedback, all just through having a conversation with AI. What normally would take days, you can now probably do in minutes. Oh, and one more. Anyone creating video content at scale, the ability to maintain character consistency and quickly make changes means that you can produce serial content much more efficiently. So there you have it. Medio is one of the coolest, most impressive AI video tools I've tested. The fact that you can create professional quality video content just by having a conversation is totally different than anything else I've seen out there. If you want to try it out for yourself, make sure to click the first link down below in the description to get access to Medio. Play around with it, test it out, and see what you can create. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.